Welcome to DJ TV.
E don settle. Asari Dokubo don enter Rufai again o. Say Rufai na campus cultist.
Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome una to this our channel DJ TV, where ogbonge tori and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o. Make una rush now, make una go subscribe o. And also turn on that notification bell so that anytime wey we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
Yes o, my people, no be small thing o. Asari Dokubo don fall out again o for dis videos wey dey title series by series. E don come outside again for Rufai o. This time around dem dey claim say Rufai na campus cultist. Campus abi na campus cultist. Say na im make e get mind say dey talk all those things wey dey talk. Like Rufai and Rino Omoku get small issue. Im dey now talk say make Rino leave the matter for him, make him handle Rufai. Say Rufai no reach anything. Anyway, I no go talk too much, my people. I go leave una now, una watch this video. Una hear wetin Asari Dokubo talk again concerning Rufai for this one. Make una watch.
Rufai Oseni get his blotted ego from? Where did he get his blotted ego from? What was sticking him? What was making him to think that he's a colossus? He's larger than everybody. I now know that this guy was a campus cultist. This guy, Oseni, was threatening to take Reno Omokari out in 3 minutes. That if he wants to be deadly, he will take Reno Omokari out in 3 minutes. I want Reno Omokari to sell me this trouble. Sell me the trouble, Reno. The last time I saw you was in the saloon before Goodluck left power at the Hilton, at the Transcorp Hilton. I want you to sell me this trouble. Just keep away from him. Stay away. Sell me the trouble. I want to buy it. How much? Listen to him.
If I want to be dead here, yes. Take your brother out in less than no, there's no need for that because I don't even understand.
Let me play it again so that you will hear it well.
Auntie Pamela. If I want to be dead here, yes. Take your brother out in less than no, there's no need for that because I don't even understand.
The question I want to ask us, all of us, that you just the question I want to put to all of you is to ask Rufai Oseni, how many people has he taken out who had disagreement with him on about his broadcast, his garrulousness, and his arrogance and insult to people, his blackmail, his mud-slinking as a television broadcaster. How many people has he taken out? We want to know because he wants to take somebody as popular as Reno, a former assistant to the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria. He wants to take him out in less than 3 minutes. That means he has been either an executioner, a terminator in one of these campus cults. In one of these campus cults. And he thinks that this mob, campus mob, will help him on the street. Maybe they've been helping him. Reno, you, this is not your area. Step aside. Sell it to me. This will be the last time this Oseni will ever think of threatening any other person. Sell it to me. I will take him on. And I will tell him, in this business, there are professionals. I don't hide my mouth. In this business in which he thinks he is, there are professionals in it. He will take somebody out in 3 minutes. Reno, just go out, get yourself out of the way. Sell this trouble to me. Let me take him on. Let me take him on. The other day he was talking that Abati told him that having a PhD at 24 is what? In the field where Abati claimed to have a PhD, what is his contribution? Has he contributed like Professor Pepe Clark? Has he contributed like Wole Soyinka? Has he contributed like Chino Achebe, Cyprian Sequency, Elechi Amadi? Has he contributed? What is his contribution? Where are his books? Where are his books? I have PhD for Beggy, PhD for Bambiara, PhD for government appointment, PhD to collect money from drug lords. What is PhD? An education that means nothing, that presents pieces of paper. I always ask them, what have you created? How have you impacted on society? An evil and dangerous person selling falsehood. Selling falsehood. You want to kill somebody. You want to take somebody like Reno out in less than 3 minutes. Reno Omokari, please step out of the way. Just step out of the way. This trouble, I'm buying it. I'm taking it personal. Let us see. All of you have seen the type of character you are celebrating. A killer, an assassin. The type of character, a kidnapper, the type of, from his own words. This is not from somebody that you said Dokubo Asari made it up. From his own words.
That you even called anti-Pamela. If I was to be dead here, yes. If your brother out, no, there's no need for that because I don't even understand. You call that need for that because I don't even understand. That you even called anti-Pamela. Because if I was to be dead here, yes. If your brother out in less than no, there's no need for that because I don't even understand.
He wants to take somebody out in less than 3 minutes. How many people has he taken out in less than 3 minutes? This is a question this rogue journalist and character must answer. How many people has he taken out in less than 3 minutes? This kidnapper, killer, is a person you people are celebrating. What is society? What is society that you people are celebrating? Reno, please leave this matter for me. Let me handle this fellow so that the whole world will see. Let me handle it.
Yes, so my people, now the updates wey we carry come for now like this be this. So now hear wetin Asari Dokubo dey talk again o. Make una drop una comment and na reason this whole tori o. And make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ TV.